Class 3rd, Subject Science, Lesson number 4, Weather and Seasons. Exercises. Let's see. A. Oral questions. See first. What is drought? Think. Yes. Answer is here. It is a dry period caused due to very less or no rain for a long time in an area. In this way, you have to write this answer. Now we'll turn towards the next second. What is storm? Yeah. Answer is when wind blows at a very high speed along with thunder, lightning and rain. It is called a storm. Okay, I hope you got this answer. Now, next is B, that is science quiz. First, which energy is used for making salt and seawater? Yes. Answer. Solar energy is used for making salt from sea water. Yes, solar energy, heat and light is used for making the salt. So answer is solar energy. Next, name the main seasons. Yes, do you know the seasons? Your answer is how to write? Summer, winter, monsoon, autumn and spring are the main seasons. In this way, you should write the answer of this science quiz second. Tick the correct options. Let's see. Here, first, soft and gentle wind is called a storm. B. Breeze. C. Cloud. Yes. Answer is soft and gentle breeze is called, wind is called breeze. Second, which one is not a month of winter season? A. December, B. June and C. Jan. We know that winter season is December, Jan and in Feb. So June is not a season of winter. Third, the rain-being winds are called A. Rainbow, B. Dew and C. Monsoon. So answer is monsoon. Next question, that is D. Write T for true and F for false statement. First, drink boiled and filtered water in monsoon. Yes, it is true. So write down T. Second, spring season comes after this monsoon. So write F. False. Solar cookers are used solar energy for cooking food. Yes, correct. So true. Fourth, sunny days are cooler than the windy days. It is false. A very short answer questions. Here we have to see very short answer questions. One, which day is cooler than a sunny day? Answer, windy days are cooler than the sunny days. Write in the notebook. Windy days are cooler than the sunny days. We know that whenever there is windy days, that time we are feeling very cold. In winter season, same thing happen. Now, second question. Name the season in which weather becomes pleasant. Yeah. Answer, in spring season, weather becomes very pleasant because that time weather is not too cold nor too hot and it was very pleasant. Flowers, butterfly season it is. Third, name the condition caused due to very less rain. Yeah, answer is the drought is caused due to very less rain, and it shows the shortage of water also. F. Short answer questions. First, why are morning and evening cooler than afternoon? Answer. In the morning and evening, sun rays are slanting, so morning and evening are cool. But at noon, the sun rays fall directly, so noon is the hottest time of the day. In this way, you should write and learn the same. Second, name the months of summer season. Yeah, here in which month summer season is there, that you have to write. Here will be answer. April, May and June, these are the months of summer season. It starts in the April and ends in the June. Third, what is weather? The condition of the air of a place at a particular time is called weather. And we are talking about the weather for a day only. Weather can change into the day also and hour also. Yes, this is the definition of weather. 4. Which flowers do we see in the spring season? Tulip and carnation flowers we see in the spring season. Spring season is called as season of flowers and butterflies, because flowers are blooming, butterflies are flying on the flowers in this season. So this season is called as flowers and butterflies season, and in this season tulip and carnation flowers we see around us. Here is your next question. 5. A storm is very powerful and can cause loss of lives and properties. That we know when storm is coming, it always comes with the thunder and lightning. It can uproot the trees, it can blow the roofs of the houses. So here question based on that. A. What is storm? Answer. When winds blows at a very high speed along with the thunder, lightning and rain is called as storm. So this is the storm. It is very dangerous. It can lose the lives also. It is very much destroying condition. There's a horrible condition is there. B. On that basis only, it is good to show your power on the other people. Why or why not? What do you think? I think here what I think that I have written here. It's not good to show your power on the other people, because it's like a storm. After a storm, there were a lot of loss. In this situation, same thing is happening. So it is very bad, students. So don't show your power on other people. But it's like a storm, and after storm we cannot see the situation. Next. G. Long answer questions. Here you have to write long answer question. Let's see which questions are there and which answers are here. First, what changes do you observe during the winter season? Answer. During the winter season we observe following changes. First, days are short and nights are long. Second, places in mountains have snowfall. Third, the mountain peaks get covered with snow and look very beautiful. Fourth, like to eat winter fruits and vegetables. These are the changes. And which are the changes? Yes, those changes. Cold wind is blowing. We are wearing the woolen clothes, and we are covering ourselves by the clothes. Next question second, give the uses of weather forecast. What are the uses of the weather forecast that you have to give here? See, here is your answer. Uses of weather forecast. First, it helps us to plan our daily activities. Yes, if weather forecast, we know that tomorrow's weather forecast, we can plan our activity. If it is raining, then we can stop our activity. We cannot go outside. If it is storm is there, then also we can take the precautions. Second, it helps the farmers to plan their activities according to the rain. Yeah, in the farmer having the daily activities in the farming, if farmer knows about the weather forecast, they can plan their activities properly. Third, it helps sellers and pilots to sell or fly, as they should know whether it would be a rainy or a clear day. If pilot is there or sailor is there, they need to know the weather forecast. By that, with that help, they can sail their uh, boats and fly their aeroplanes. Third, how is the sun useful to us? Yeah, think about that. Sun is very useful to us. If sun is not there, we cannot imagine the life on the earth. What are the uses of the sun that we will see here? In this way you have to write the uses of sun is useful to us. The sun is most important source of the energy. We get energy from the sun in the form of heat and light. The energy that we get from the sun is called as solar energy. Solar energy is used for the following purposes: A, for drying clothes; B, for making salt and seawater; C, for drying of vegetables and fruits, seeds, etc. D, for cooking food by using solar cooker. E, for heating water by using solar heaters. F, for producing electricity by using solar cells. Solar cells are used in electronic watches and calculators. G, green plants need sunlight for making their food, and this process is called as photosynthesis. There were a lot of uses of the sunlight. Even we can see with sunlight kills the germs which are present in the atmosphere. In this way it can help. It can evaporate the water from the sea and all the sources of the water, and it helps into the water cycle also. There are the many uses. You have to write those uses here. In this way you should write in your notebook. Now here is the next question, that is a picture talk. What are the picture talk we will see here in this? Identify the following pictures and write their names in the given blanks. Yeah, first picture, see, she girl is enjoying the wind, means it is the gently moving air. It's called as breeze. She has stand there, means it is a breeze. If it is storm, then she could not stand there. Next, drought, and third one is the winter. In this way you should write the answer. Next, think and answer. You have to think here and then you have to give the answer. These are the very nice questions. First, what type of weather would you find in Delhi on a New Year Day? Answer: New Year Day falls on the 1st Jan every year, so it must be winter, because November, December and Jan are the winter months, means that they must be a coldest weather. Next, second question. If there are the dark clouds in the sky, which type of the clothes would you prefer to wear and why? Here is the answer. A cloudy day is cooler than sunny day, because clouds blocks the sun rays, and that's why we generally prefer to wear the woolen clothes. And when we are going outside, we should carry the umbrellas and raincoats with us, because there must be a rain any time.
So in this way you have to complete your exercises. Bye bye.